Hi, my name is Levi and I'm going to tell you why videography is so important to people in STEM. Civil engineers design buildings, bridges, and boats. Mechanical engineers design things with moving parts like microwaves, turbines, and cars. When engineers discover and invent new technology, they need a place to tell the world their new discoveries. One way they can do that is in video. Today I'm going to show you one specific videography site that can be used for engineers. ClipChamp is a site which can be used for engineers and for photographers and for everyone. One great thing about ClipChamp is that it's free and it's online, so you don't need special equipment, which is great because most people don't like paying for apps. It is nice because it has all the things you need to make a very good video in such a short amount of time. It has everything from music, transitions, and many more things we'll explore right now. The first thing we will explore is how to make a new project in ClipChamp. First, you will look at the left side of the screen and click on the purple Create New Video. Then you will choose the format. I suggest you choose the widescreen. Then you will go into a blank project. You can either get the pictures or videos off your computer and drag them into your media library, or you can browse the files you already have on your computer. When you have the pictures in the media library, you drag them into the timeline, which is a rectangle at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, you've started your video. You can leave it how it is, or add music, transitions, and edit the video. If you want to edit the video, all the edits are on the left sidebar. If you play around with the tools of ClipChamp, you will learn how to share your discoveries in video for other people to see and learn from.